Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, as I was thinking about what to cook, I decided to bring back some childhood memories of mine. That's why I decided to make some polenta with kneaded cheese, exactly the way my grandparents used to make it back then when I was a little child. So without any further ado, let's hop into it. This meal is very simple to make. It basically just has three ingredients. It has the polenta, as you can see here. We need some butter, so if you're on the diet, this is not for you. And of course, we have the kneaded cheese. I will cut it up for you so that you can see the texture of it. Look how beautiful it is. And it has this soft texture to it. It's not like a normal cheese that you buy in the grocery store. You will see in a moment why this texture is very important. The normal way of making polenta is to use 4 parts of water to 1 part of polenta, but in this case we need the polenta to be much softer than usual, and that's why I'm using 4.5 parts of water to 1 part of polenta. As my 4.5 cups of water are beginning to boil, I am putting in a little salt, and after that I am beginning to stir the water and slowly putting in 1 cup of polenta. I am always stirring the water and slowly putting in the polenta. If you see the polenta clumping up, then you just need to stir a little bit faster so that the clumps can break up basically in the stirring motion. As you are stirring everything, you need to take down the heat because the polenta is beginning to splash and you don't want to get yourself burnt. And after a few minutes you can see the polenta hardening up and beginning to stick to the side of the pan, and then it's basically ready and you can take it off the fire. Okay, so as you can see the polenta is ready. You need this soft polenta for this kind of meal. I am beginning with the butter. I'm putting in a little in the pan. Not too much, just a little, so that it can melt and heat everything up very well. Okay, like this. After this, I am putting in a layer of polenta. This is why it's important that the polenta is soft and it has no lumps in it. Okay, now I am putting in this cheese. I am just basically breaking it apart and distributing it evenly on the polenta. Okay. Now I'm putting again a little butter. I will be using a lot of butter in this meal, so if you are on a diet, then I repeat, this is not for you, but it's worth trying it because the taste is very good, I'm telling you. You won't regret it. Okay, and now I'm putting again a layer of polenta, and basically I am repeating this for as many layers that I can get out of this polenta that I made. Like this. I will speed up the video so that it's much quicker for you to watch. Okay, so now I'm finished. And to finish everything up, I need to take a knife and cut it. Cut it like this, so that everything, when it's melting, it's seeping inside and it's mixing very well. Okay. Now I'm putting the lid on it, and I will be leaving it on the fire for approximately 5 minutes, and it's ready to serve. So after around 5 to 6 minutes on the fire, everything is ready to be served. This is how it looks like. You can serve this as it is right now, or you can put on top of it some cream. So this is basically it. Man, just the smell of it brings back a lot of memories. Hit the like button if you liked it, subscribe for future videos. Now I will finish my meal and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.